Wow. As of May 31st this year, I celebrated 60 years in hard news. That's actually where I started, hard news. I had senators and presidents and governors and labor leaders and God knows who in the living room, because Mom was chairman of the Democratic Party where I grew up, and a second generation Kennedy, and my dad was a labor union leader, and and as I'm growing up, I knew out of the womb what my purpose was in principle, and what I was here for. That was to save fallen angels. I knew that. And I knew it couldn't be the conventional way. I don't know how I knew this. It was just in me. I would be nagging my parents from the time I could utter sounds. I needed instruments to play, pianos, guitars, pans. I loved to play along with music on the radio and television and mimic the voices right from the go. And so at 5, I was making a very conscious lobbying, because then I was learning incredibly fast. And before I even got to 10, I had already read books of who's who's and world leaders and who's who in politics and North American and blah, blah, blah. And they're in my grandfather's library, along with these archives from my great-grandfather and newspaper clippings. And he was a knight and a lord, and he had a seat in Parliament, and he married a Kennedy, and then reading my own name in these books that I was born in blah, blah, blah. And I realized that I tried to look up my friends' names, and they weren't there. People I knew, and they weren't there. And so that gave me this fascination to start at an early age, finding all documents I could. Whenever I go visit somewhere, I would try and look at archives and continue the audit trail. And over the years I've gone back, I followed trails around the world going back well over 1,000 years. But you know, I do things that most normal people don't. Like, I'll go to an archaeological dig, or I'll go onto a base in a foreign country, or military bases of ours in foreign countries, or embassies, or I let people know I'm coming ahead, and there's always a plan. Whether I'm going there to teach the arts that I know, and voiceover and acting and camera blocking and voiceover. I've gone and taught all of us. Is it to go and architect technology in shows in foreign countries? Done that too. Is it there for diplomatic missions on behalf of our government? Oh, hell yeah. I've been on, I don't know how many of those. I can't even, whenever when I'm going somewhere, even if I'm paying it or if someone else paying for it, somehow stuff always gets, thrown in my bed at the last minute. By somebody at the FBI or whatever. And when you're federal contractors, it's a whole different line of work, because you don't really work for them. Whatever. No, you're more indentured bitch servant. By the way, I've been driving you to the back half of the IA lot that I've been going through since '82, because I always like to see what vehicles they're using to roll on me and others. And I just got a current update. I did not show you any of those for national security reasons, because I'm sure I've done enough to piss off so many federal people. They're probably having kittens right now and looking for any loophole to jam something on me to get me to just, whatever. Listen, gang, there's no way in hell you can deny the hell that you put me through with this government in numerous branches. Not just FBI, not just DOJ, not just CIA. Come on, guys. If we got real, holy Christ. Now, There have been times I've actually been paid by certain branches of the government, like DOD, Army. I can go down and listen to those people actually, pay bills. And we get a check from some of you other jackasses for all the stuff I did, and the hell you put me through, even an expense check. How about even a fucking lunch or a dinner? No, I didn't even get a cold kiss. Got more like cold cocked, and used extensively. So I would strongly caution, before anybody throws any more horseshit in my files, why don't we clean up the stuff that was already supposed to be expunged, like stuff going back 20 years ago on a felony I knew nothing about until Santa Monica PD pulled up some shit that was alleged by an ex and was supposed to be expunged per a judge's order. How's this shit leaking out and coming back to be crimes that weren't? I don't know who's fucking around in the LA County record books, but I'm telling you, the clerk and the DA and some judges better get their shit together, because otherwise there are going to be so many other questions that are going to follow these that it won't be in a state court, I can guarantee you that. I'm thinking, since there's so many conflicts of interest and disarray, I mean, I've been arrested on warrants that were never even sent to me, and then other ones where I was 5'9", I shrunk, I had brown eyes, changed eye color, and I had black hair. What's next? I'm reptilian? Come on, fuck off. Even when I do what I do when I do it, and time travel and whatever else you may have figured out I might be able to do, I don't change height and eye colors and all that shit. Bullshit. The form is the same. You know that if you've tracked this as well as I do. So who's playing these happy horseshit games somewhere? This is gonna blow up on all of you guys. And I want my shit back. Every ounce of motherfucking property and stuff you took plus interest penalty. The numbers are getting astronomical.